thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I just want to show you a very simple hairstyle that you can wear on your natural hair. So this is the goal of my channel, just to be giving you very simple and quick hairstyle that you can wear without manipulating or ruining your hair. So here I'm just going to roll my hair and pin it at the top of my head, just like that. So you can do a flat twist if you know how to do it. So guys, please kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I am counting on your support. The growth of this channel depends on you, so please subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. Share, like and comment. So I'm doing the same thing on this side of my head. So I'm just rolling, and when you reach at the top, you secure your hair with the pins. Very easy, right? And quick, less time consuming, right? So you secure with your hairpins at the top, like that. And then when we are done with that section, we move to this front section. So you brush a little bit, then you separate a small section of hair, and then you roll it and pin it down. Roll it and pin it down, just like I am doing it. You move to the other section, you do the same thing. As simple as it appears, no manipulation guys, as you can see. So if you want to have healthy natural hair, you also want to focus on doing very simple hairstyles that cannot ruin your hair, because some hairstyles can make your hair to break, just like that, and you're done. Please let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section below. I'm going to do the same thing at the back of my head. I am making twists, and you don't want to make them very tight, you just make them very loose, the way I am doing, and then pin it at the top where we secure the other amount of hair. So I'm just repeating the same process. Once again, I appeal to you guys, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Share, like and comment. And if you have some suggestions, please suggest to me. So I'm doing the same thing. So you just kind of do the same thing until you are done. Very quick and very simple. This is the last section. As you can see, I'm doing very big twists and loose, and you secure with the pin, just like that, and you are done. And you are done, and you're good to go, and you have your hairstyle just like that. So please guys, if you like my video, please like and share, and thank you so much for watching this video. May God bless you. Bye.